a very exciting game. I'm going to write all those words here on the balloons. I'm going to write the words here. R E D add red. Right? Then I'm going, the next word is pen. P E N pen. Right? Next is 10. How to spell? Say T E N 10. Next one is hen. How to spell hen? H E N hen. Next is wet. Thank you. W E T at wet. Thank you. Next is bed. B E D at bed. Wet. So I wrote all the CVCs here on the balloons. Teacher says 1, 2, 3. Then we pick up the balloons and toss them up in the air and keep tossing. Pew, pew, pew. No pushing, no running, right? Just see the balloons and toss them up. Toss them up, keep tossing. You don't need to hold the balloons like that. So nobody hold the balloon, keep tossing, keep tossing, keep tossing. When the music stops, and then everybody hold one balloon quickly and quickly go back and sit there. The teacher then asks you, Simon, come here. Simon say P-E-N, pen, right? And sit down back. Then I ask any come over, any come here, any hold the balloons and say R-E-D, add red like that. And keep passing like that. Okay? Come on. Ready, go like that. Ready, go. Peel, 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 Oh, okay, sit down. Everybody sit down. Take one balloon and sit down. Thank you. Right. So first, let Jenna will come here. Jenna, come here. Look, listen, huh?
N-E-T.
Net. Yay! Thank you, Jenna. Sit down. Okay. Simon, come here. Simon, read. Okay, guys, be quiet. Listen to him. Perfect. Great job. Look, he can say it very well. Right? Say. Perfect. This is amazing. Good job. Net. Perfect. Come on. Now it's Calvin's turn. Calvin, spell and read. Perfect. Pens. Good job. Perfect job. Good. Try to read.
R-E-D.
Good job. That's a good answer. R-E-D. Add red, he says. Next is Eric's turn. Come on, Eric, spell and read. Very good. T-E-N 10.